New can that we get. I'm
Yeah.
okay with saving them.
All right,
someday
guys.
We'll have a big storage spot.
I'm sick again. I don't know if I'll need a diaper or not. I might not. But I do have like a bit of a cold or something going around. Might be coronavirus. Coughing, sneezing. It's actually quite nasty, this cold. I've been coming down with in the past couple of days. So, yeah. Thank you for clicking on this video. So, yeah. That's the condition I'm in right now. That's the condition. That's the condition. Currently a bit sick. Yes, I'll do Gannon McDonald's.